Hello, this is my 12 by 12 inch canvas. I've got a thin layer of black paint on it, and I'm going to create a moody sky with some diamonds and pearls, hopefully, and a few other colors not dissimilar. Looks like it might be time to clean that tip out. I'm going to use a little African Violet, which is a Prizm Pour. The Diamonds and Pearls is a primary element. I've got a mixture of Chantilly lace with some Prussian Violet. Chantilly lace is a Prizm Pour. Then I'm going to use a little bit of black iris. And finish up with some violet opal, which is a Prizm Pour. Black iris is a primary element. I don't mind if it goes all the way to the bottom. I don't mind picking up some of the colors that are already there and using them to meld with the other colors. I might or might not have time to put a moon in the sky. I don't mind the negative space showing through it all, or stealing a little paint to put on the bottom half. Now I thought about putting some trees in, so I put some true silver and a few little drops, which is a Prizm Pour, and a few little drops of Mayan gold and a little tiny bit of black in. And hopefully I left my stick right where I could find it. Yeah, there it is. I have a partial tongue depressor. It's about half. Just going to dip it in. And I might grab a shorter tongue depressor and put some other trees in. I might have to put branches in later. If I have time, I will. Make a little stand of trees like a painting I did recently. Now I'm going to take some of my Fandango green without the dried stuff around the top. A little of my Indigo Violet, both Prizm Pours. A little Burmese Ruby, which is a Prizm, it's a primary element. It's from the Fairy Tales collection. Probably still going to use a spatula. I want some of the Mayan gold I was talking about. I love this Royal Sapphire. I want a little bit of deep amethyst, although those are Oh, I better be careful of that. That's very dark. That's a Prizm Pour also. This is some Chantilly lace. I'm inclined to just grab a swipe card, which in this case is a used playing card, and some Amsterdam Black. Put it on the card. Put a little more green in there. Fandango. Scrape my card off. Push the paint over the edges. Use a little more cell activator. Maybe add some white this time. Just move the card around. Wipe it off on the edges. Pop my bubbles. I think I'm going to use a little bit of this deep amethyst as a mountain range in the background. Pull it down into place. Whoops, sorry about my head. Use the residuals. Throw a little moon in there. Maybe one more dip on my... I need a shorter... Yep, and I've got one. A shorter piece of tongue depressor. Just going to add a few. Pounce a few branches into place. I kind of want, I don't know why, but I want some royal sapphire down there. Just to add a little bit of variation in the color in the background. Alright, I've got a few cells. I'm not too worried about it. I'm going to put a moon in there. Hopefully. Scrape a few clouds into the sky. That worked with my finger, I'm surprised. Sort of roughed it up and that, as they say, is that from Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Actually, I don't see any reason why I shouldn't add a few more branches. Albeit upside down. Not sure how that looks, but I'm sure someone will tell me. Alright, goodbye from Priscilla Batzell. It's Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery. I hope you come again. I'm going to zoom in, tell you I love you. Check out my other videos on my channel. And take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Thanks. Bye for now. Priscilla out.